I told you that today's the day. My boss makes it official. I'll be VP in charge of international accounts.
Oh, that's right. Congrats again. I should make you some of my fabulous cupcakes. I just got more of those finest ingredients.
I like the last batch of brownies. That nearly killed me.
No. Even better.
Great. Like I can stop you.
This is the actual piece of steel from Ground Zero in New York. Many of you will remember the day.
Congratulations, Kyle. You're the perfect person to replace me. You've got the vision.
Thank you, sir. I'm so looking forward.
Ooh, great karma. Here are the cupcakes. Remember? The cupcakes I promised? Congratulations.
I would like to introduce you to a friend of mine, Jen Joplin. Jen, this is my boss, Mr. Blankenship.
Oh. Great to meet you, too. Bye.
I'm sorry for the interruption.
Well, they do look delicious.
She's not the best cook. Way too sweet. Would you like one?
Thank you. No, I really shouldn't.